I just parked right there and I'm walking over here. They have a little bench here. Crazy kids. How can you get in that water? Look at him. Insane. Oh, he must need to take a shower. That's the only reason I can even think that someone would get in there. Did it. Ooh, is that tar? Yep, there's tar down here. You gotta be careful where you're walking. Unless that's seaweed. I think that's tar. Oh, that stuff is messy. Yep, that's tar. You don't want to step in that. Oh gosh. Let's put that somewhere safe. I was able to get it over here so nobody steps on it. It's a big clump right there. Stuck a stick in it so somebody will know. Isn't this relaxing? Imagine going to sleep listening to that. No more of that. They have signs everywhere. I mean, a lot of signs. They're really cracking down. Look at that rock. All the birds have pooped on it. That's why it's white. See, they have the signs there. Camping prohibited, overnight parking prohibited. I mean, they have them all over. It's like you can't say, oh, I didn't see it. And then they've got no dogs allowed. Come on. Let people take their dogs on the beach, you know, camping. Really strict. I don't know if you could hear me down there because it was loud with the waves, but they're really coming down hard on parking along the coast. The restrictions are just crazy. So the first few years I got away with it, did not have a problem. Here's a shears. Second year got away with it. Third year was feeling a little like, okay, time's coming up. Just, you know, chancing it, but I just felt it. I couldn't sleep as peacefully. I just had an awareness that things were changing. So fourth year on the road, I was like, I'm not chancing it. This is such a pretty drive. That's a really neat place there. Let's go in here. Wow, last time I came here it wasn't so green. This is beautiful. Green, the grasses. Tell me he's not the cutest baby ever. Hey, Are you the cutest baby ever? Look at, we have the same chin. What is it? What is it? Yeah. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Every time I leave the baby, I'm just like, we kept him alive one more day. That little guy is active. It takes a village. We were all three, like 1, 2, 3, like handing him, watching him. It's like a tag team. We did take him down to the beach. It was the cutest thing. He's adorable. And he didn't cry when we put him in the water. And he actually wanted to taste the dirt, the mud, the sand, and the water. It was hilarious. He like put his face down and took a bite. He was just like, oh, salt water. Anyways, it was so cute. Anyways, it's been a great day. I'm exhausted. No wonder people have children when they're little. When they're young. You have the energy for it, but it's great being a great aunt. He's just a bundle of joy, and he's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay. There's just something just so wonderful about knowing I'm going to a campground. Like, I used to get so stressed out, like, oh, where am I going to park? Am I going to get the knock? And so I have one more night at the campground, and I got this night free, so I'm so excited. And then tomorrow night, I have permission to park over at the laundromat, and then the next night, I'm parking at a church, and so we're good. We're good. I was craving a steak, and thanks to Lewis, he said, go get yourself something good to eat. I got a steak. Not just any steak. It's a ribeye. Look at that. It's going to be perfect. All right, let me get it out. I think that's perfect. Just a tad rare in the middle. Not a lot, so it's medium rare.